Hello, everyone. Welcome to our vlog, your one-stop resource for all things Disney. Today, our magical carpet ride is set to explore the enchanting world of Disney. We're here to share insider tips and tricks that'll turn you into a Disney World pro. From ticket purchases to ride reservations, dining delights, and beyond, we've got the secrets to make your Disney adventure nothing short of spectacular. So, buckle up as we embark on this magical journey together. First up, securing your golden ticket to the magical kingdom. Start your journey by visiting the official Disney website, where the My Disney Experience platform awaits. It's a user-friendly system that lets you explore a variety of ticket options. Choose your preferred park days, and for an extra sprinkle of magic, customize your experience with add-ons like park hopper passes or dining plans. It's all about creating a Disney adventure that's uniquely yours. Once you've got your tickets, you're ready for the next step: planning your itinerary. Planning is key to a smooth Disney adventure, and Disney Genie is here to help. This innovative service is your personal guide to the magic. It ushers you through the parks with real-time tips and recommendations based on your individual preferences. Want to meet Mickey at the least busy time? Disney Genie has your back. Looking to maximize your park time? Disney Genie provides live updates to help you do just that. With Disney Genie, you're always in the know and ready to go. Now, let's talk about securing your spot on the rides and at the dining tables. With the My Disney Experience app, reserving rides is a breeze. The Disney Genie Plus service allows you to reserve access to your favorite attractions up to 60 days in advance. Just select your rides and create a personalized itinerary. You'll be skipping the standby lines like a VIP in no time. And for an extra sprinkle of pixie dust, consider the premium Lightning Lane access. This service opens up even more opportunities to bypass the standby lines and immerse yourself in the magic of Disney. Now, on to dining. It's crucial to make your dining reservations in advance via the My Disney Experience app. From character dining to fine dining, there's a world of culinary delights waiting for you. And for on-the-go convenience, don't forget to explore the mobile ordering options. With your rides and meals sorted, you're all set for a day full of magic. Before we wrap up, here are some crucial travel tips for your Disney journey. To maximize your magical day, make a point of arriving early. Comfort is key, so opt for your most comfortable shoes. Don't forget to stay hydrated. Florida sun can be quite intense. Be sure to take breaks to recharge and soak in the enchanting atmosphere. Above all, remember to enjoy every moment. After all, Disney World isn't just about rides and dining. It's about creating unforgettable memories. Remember, Disney World is all about fun and making memories that will last a lifetime. And that's a wrap, folks. Remember, navigate Disney like a pro with these tips. Don't keep all this magic to yourself. Share the love. And if you want more Disney adventures, subscribe to our channel. Until next time, see you real soon.